Hi, it's Idletester from idletester.com. This is Basic Plus Level 7 in Hackthis.co.uk, and it says that we are running a suspicious looking service. Maybe it will give you the answer. Okay, so one of the things you're going to need for this is something called Yuma, and that's this here. So if you download Yuma, and once you've got it downloaded and it's in, if you then run it, and it might take about 10 or 15 minutes for this, but your target is that hackthis.co.uk, and the profile is intense scan all TCP ports, then click here on scan. Once it's completed and you've got everything done, come down here, select that there, and scroll down until you see service is unrecognized despite returning data. Okay, so if we check this out and we look closely, it says here, welcome, weary traveller. I believe you are looking for this. Then it comes to that. Map that. So we're looking for map that. So just copy that and close that down now and go back in here and put map that into the answer. Press submit, and that'll show you that the level's complete. And that's how to do Basic Plus Level 7 in hackthis.co.uk.